What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today we're talking about a penny stock that just got an analyst upgrade. The upgrade was off the back of a really strong earnings report. However, during the market sell-off last week, like nearly every other stock out there, this company also took a hit. It might be a bargain to buy shares of this company at such a cheap price, especially after the analyst upgrade. The company we're talking about today is Kopin Corporation, ticker symbol KOPN. Kopin stock currently trades at $8 and it fell from a high of $13 during the recent market sell-off. Stick around till the end of the video because I'll provide you with a quick overview of what this company does, what the latest financial report was like, and also what the new analyst price targets are for this company. Kopin Corporation is a leading developer and provider of critical components for integration into wearable computing systems for military, industrial, and consumer products. Their products range from augmented reality or virtual reality wearables to thermal imaging products and are used by enterprises and even the military. Their Q4 revenues grew 60% year over year, and this is massive. Net income $1.3 million in Q4 compared to a net loss of $7.2 million for Q4 2019. Funded R&D revenues in Q4 increased by 56%, primarily on micro LEDs for augmented reality, and they shipped their first production order of 720p color micro OLEDs. So we can expect more of these orders in the future. And the CEO goes on to say, in the fourth quarter of 2020, our funded research and development R&D revenue and our R&D expenses both increased very significantly. As AR and VR applications are increasingly adopted, we have accelerated our R&D activities in advanced OLED and LED micro displays and optics. We are excited about our R&D progress, which we believe will provide a stream of new differentiated products as well as further enhance our already strong IP positions. This quarter, we received our first production order and began shipments of our 720 Geostack Color Max OLED micro displays. We also announced an agreement to develop super bright monochrome micro LED displays. We believe that both our advanced Color Max OLED and micro LED displays will be key enablers of what we see as the coming wave of AR and VR products in defense, enterprise, consumer applications. We believe Kopin offers the widest range of leading microdisplay technologies in the world, which is particularly valuable as we anticipate the long-awaited adoption of AR and VR systems is beginning to take hold. It's pretty obvious that the augmented reality and virtual reality sector is going to grow in the next 5 years. ARK Invest thinks that the total addressable market for virtual worlds will compound 17% annually from roughly $180 billion today to $390 billion by 2025. This is a huge total addressable market for a company whose total market cap currently is only around $700 million. So it makes sense that analysts have made a sizable increase to their forecast when it comes to the company. The consensus price target rose 167% to US $12, with the analysts encouraged by the higher revenue and lower forecast losses for this year. So what am I doing? I don't have a position in this stock currently as I've just come across it today. However, this is definitely going on my watch list. I think this recent pullback presents a nice entry point into the augmented or virtual reality space. Anyways guys, that's it for today. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think about this company. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.